Welcome to Premier. Submittals can be one of the most time-consuming processes in construction. Typically, general contractors have to process documents from over 100 different subs, reconcile them with the submittal log, review them, forward them, note approvals, and return them. However, submittals matter, providing clear instructions on the intent, performance, and construction of the project. Premier introduces a new and modern way that automates the entire process from start to end, making it easy to collaborate with absolutely everyone in real time. Project managers can easily drill down from the job dashboard to view existing or overdue submittals. Here, you can view all the details related to the submittal, such as the name, drawing, or spec reference, required date, review stamp, etc. Down at the bottom, you can view more details and include the items that are required. You can view the schedule and the workflow. Easily apply any workflow on the fly to control the submittal approval process and the order in which documents are routed. Premier provides a flexible workflow approval screen so you can configure your workflow in advance to save you valuable time. The approval log will update the approvals as they are completed, and the Documents tab will automatically upload all documents with the historical and latest annotations. At any time, you can run a submittal log, complete an advanced search, and run a full submittal log across all your jobs or selected ones with any of your preferred filters. On the main screen at the top, you can easily select your job and easily flip from one to the next. Click Add to create a new submittal. Alternatively, you can upload all your submittals directly from an Excel file. Enter in the key information. At the bottom, select the subcontractor who needs to prepare the items. In More Actions, click Send. As mentioned, the workflow can be configured in advance and auto-applied here to minimize your setup time. This way, you do not have to create a workflow every time you have a brand new submittal. The status and stamps will update live, and the documents will automatically store the most recent version. Best of all, architects, engineers, subcontractors, and any other third-party individuals do not require a login to take part of this approval process. They can easily access the submittals and any historical submittals from any device from absolutely anywhere. They simply receive an email and click on it to take action. Here, the sub can view the submittal and upload the necessary documents while adding any comments. Once submitted, this will route to the next person assigned in the workflow. In this case, the general contractor. The general contractor will receive an email notifying them. Alternatively, they can view all submittals assigned to them directly in Premier in their approval inbox or directly within the job dashboard. When they click the link, it provides all the historical comments and allows them to view and open the documents. The documents will load into the custom annotation tool developed by Premier. On the left-hand panel, it lists all the pages, allowing users to reorder, rotate, or delete. At the top, it provides a toolbar allowing you to add any annotations, comments, measure, note changes, add stamps, and much more. You can even easily customize your stamp. All annotations on the page are tracked on the right-hand panel. At the top right, click Next. If there are multiple documents, it will load the next one. At this point, the project manager can either forward the response, add additional documents and/or comments before routing to the next person in the workflow. The architect receives an email. When they click into it, they can view all historical comments from other individuals. They can view the stamps and access the documents. Notice at the top left, they can view all submittals assigned to them and all historical submittals. From here, they can easily open the documents and annotate as required. Once all the annotation is completed, if required, they can also forward to other individuals. They can enter in the response, approved, approved as noted, reviewed, rejected, etc. All this information will automatically update live in Premiere, eliminating all data entry or any uploads. If the submittal is rejected, it will route back to the person assigned in the workflow to manage this process. In this case, we've assigned the general contractor. From here, they can distribute accordingly. The system will automatically calculate the next due dates. Back in Premiere, the system automatically marks the submittal as rejected and closed and creates a brand new submittal to help minimize data entry. As you can see, the entire submittal process is completely streamlined. Before we end, let's take a quick look at how flexible it is to create the workflows. In the Approval Management screen, select Submittals. Here's where you can create one or multiple workflows that can span across one or multiple jobs. It will first route to the individuals listed here in the first box, noted as internal users, typically your project management team. Once all the individuals have completed the approval, it will route to the individuals listed in the second box, noted as external users. Here is where you'll reference any architects, engineers, etc. When creating the workflow, you can define whether the users assigned in the workflow are requiring to approve it in sequential order, meaning one person after the other, or in parallel, meaning both users can review, annotate, and approve at the same time. Also note that the annotation color can be changed for each user in the workflow. This makes it easy to identify what changes belong to which person. Another useful feature found in the workflow configuration screen is the ability to set default dates for review, distribution time, etc. This way, based on the response, the system will automatically calculate the next due dates. However, upon entry, the project manager has the ability to override the due dates manually. I hope you see how flexible the workflow configuration screen is. The great thing about Premiere is once it's set up, you can apply it across one or multiple jobs and even change it on the fly. As you can see, the submittal feature is a true game changer. Not only will it automate your most time-consuming process, but it'll ensure that you're collaborating live, real-time with any third party and your internal team. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thanks for watching.